Good morning, students.
Welcome to the e-learning class of Social Science of Standard 7th. Today we are going to continue chapter number 12 from second semester textbook. In that we are going to continue with part 1, and the name of the chapter is Continents, North and South America and Europe.
Shrushti has sent the album of the pictures of the continent of North America from New York. Let us see the picture and know more about the continents of America. The continent of North America, it consists of three countries. Which are the three countries? That is United States of America, that is USA, Canada and Mexico. It is spread over 2.44 lakh square kilometers, covering almost, that is 16% of the land area of the world. The native of this land, native means जो लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं. So the native of this land, they are known as Red Indians. The new culture of America has developed because of the European interrelation of people. Things to know, very important point. That is, America was named after the Italian explorer, that is Amerigo Vespucci, instead of Christopher Columbus, because though Columbus he found the new world, but Vespucci was a man who recognized that it was a new world. Recognize मतलब उसने उसको एक नई पहचान दी. किसने दी? It was a Vespucci. He has given the recognition to that it was a new world. Study the natural map of North America and write in your notebook the mountain, desert, islands and lakes and seas. Now North America, that is extending from the Arctic Ocean in the north to Panama in the south. North Pole, it passes from the north of Canada. In the same way, the Tropic of Cancer, it passes through the central Mexico. Now the North American continent is 9,654 kilometers long and its width from North Canada is 6,033 kilometers, which when tapering means it gets gradually smaller towards the south, so it reduces to the size to 482 kilometers. As North America is wider than South America, so there are 4 standard time zones in the USA. Now the northern half of North America is sparsely populated. It's sparsely populated means it means small in number. वहाँ पे population बहुत कम है. So the northern half of North America is sparsely populated and covered mostly by Canada, except for the northwestern portion, which is occupied by Alaska, that is the largest state of the US. And it includes the enormous islands of Greenland. Greenland is the name of the place in the northeast. Since these areas, they are usually covered with snow, so agriculture is almost not possible over there. When the last ice age ended, that is about 4,000 years ago, the glaciers melted. Glaciers here means the river of ice. So it melted and formed North America's 5 Great Lakes. So which are the 5 Great Lakes? They are Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. They make up the Great Lake system. The Great Lake, it contains what? It contains 1/5 of the world fresh surface water, making them the largest system of fresh water on earth. The Great Plains means here what? That is a flat land with few trees, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में मैदान बोलते हैं. So the Great Plains, they lie in the middle of North America continent. The rivers like, that is Mississippi, Missouri and Mackenzie, they bring rich alluvium on its bank and thus they creating vast fertile basin that is known as prairies. Agriculture, it is the main occupation of this area or this region. So wheat is grown in plenty in this region and it is popular for huge production of wheat all over the world. Two chains of mountain ranges, that is rise to the east and west of North America. The most familiar or close of these mountains, they are the Rockies, that is North America, largest chain in the west, and the considerably old, that is Appalachian Mountains to the east. The tallest peak mountain in the United States is the Mount McKinley in the Alaska region. This is the home of the Eskimos. Eskimos means the people those are living in the Alaska region. So this is the home of Eskimos who live in special type of house that is known as igloos. Igloos means a house that is made up of snow. The wildlife of North America is they are diverse, different type of wildlife you can see in North America and includes animals such as reindeer, seal, walrus, white bear, etc. Climate, vegetation and wildlife. Now weather changes dramatically across the North American landscape. Now climate it ranges from Arctic cold to equatorial heat. मतलब वो Arctic cold से लेके equatorial heat तक change होता है. Precipitation that means it's a kind of rainfall or snow rainfall. Precipitation and temperature level it changes dramatically depending on location. Now in many areas of North America the climate it is extremely cold and dry. So this is known as the tundra type of climate. It spans from most of Greenland, it's the name of the place, to the mountains of Alaska to the northern Canada. Central America and southern Mexico it has a tropical hot and humid climate. Humid means when there is more amount of moisture in the climate. So it has a tropical hot and humid climate. While the coastal area they experience the heavy rainfall and a moderate climate over there. Severe weather. Severe means hard weather in the form of thunderstorm is a normal spring and summer occurrence across the North America. Devastating tornado. Tornadoes means in Hindi we say it as a बवंडर जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. So devastating tornadoes are also common in the spring and tornadoes they are also common in the spring and in summer months. Especially it is in the central part of the US. So deadly tornadoes they devastate life means वो बहुत किसको नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं life and property every time a tornado it strikes when it strikes in the USA. Here I have given you the picture where you can see the specialties of continents of North America and the wildlife of continent of North America. Now the Great Plains of North America they are also home to rich deposits of minerals. Which minerals? Minerals like iron, coal, mineral oil, natural gas, copper, gold, silver, etc. So in fact USA it ranks first in the mineral deposits in the world. Now we are going to learn about Canada. So North America it is the largest continent in the northern hemisphere and Canada occupies a major northern portion of North America and it's sharing land borders with United States. So Ottawa is the capital of Canada, which is the capital place of Canada. That is Ottawa is the capital of Canada, while Montreal, Toronto, Winnipeg and Hamilton are its major cities. Ice hockey it is the national game of Canada. Now much area of the Canada it is covered by the ice and it experiences the severe means very cold weather conditions over there. Now Canada it has the largest coastline in the world and it enjoys moderate means medium to high temperature throughout the year. Now the Canada it has a multiple ecosystem. Ecosystem means that it's a group of living organisms or a community that they live and interact with each other in a specific environment. So it has a multiple ecosystems. It is ranging from lush forest. Lush forest means growing in abundant area. That is from lush forest of British Columbia, the prairies of Western Canada, to the tundra of Northern Canada with a large and mass and small population density. Now the wildlife of Canada it provides important habitat means where the animals can live. Important habitat for many animals such as the bear, white wolf, deer, otter, beaver and reindeer. They can live in Canada. Canada rivers they are famous for their Atlantic salmon on the east side and Pacific salmon on the west coast. Now Canada's many freshwater means जिसको हम लोग मीठा पानी बोलते हैं. So Canada many freshwater lakes and streams they are home to varieties of fishes. There are also significant means important commercial fisheries of many saltwater species. Canada it is the world's largest manufacturer of asbestos. It means it's a kind of a mineral which is used to which is used in the building for protection against the fire. So it is a Canada is the world largest manufacturer of asbestos. It is also the world leading producer of nickel and platinum. They are also a kind of mineral. USA, it is a federal state. It means it forms or having or relating a government in which the states they form a unity, but when it comes to internal matters they work independent. So it has a USA has a federal state has achieved prosperity in the field of agriculture, trade and industry. Its physiography being extensively and varied. The USA that has the Rockies and the Appalachian mountain ranges to the western and eastern direction respectively. Now rivers like that is Mississippi, Missouri and the five Great Lakes have contributed. They have contributed tremendously in the agricultural revolution. So due to which the cotton, corn and wheat are produced in abundance in more quantity. The mineral deposits of iron, coal and mineral oil has assisted in the development of industries. No, the USA that has leads the world in the development of transportation, that is especially in the roadways, that is super highways and freeways, that is express highways without any intersection or toll booth facilities. The majority of so that the majority of passengers that they can travel along with the other means of transportation. So these are the considered to be the benchmark of the progress and development of this great nation. So with this we have completed the part 1 of this chapter. In the next session we will continue with our second part. I hope each and everything is very clear to you. Thank you.